Ano ba yung mga house type dito, mga in-offer natin, sir? And I believe they are, ayan, behind our,
Yes. Actually, Sir Alan, we have 3 models here.
yeah.
As you can see, ito nga, ongoing na po tayo. Launching of our model units will be around May or June.
Okay.
So ngayon pa lang, ini-invite na natin lahat ng mga brokers, mga sellers natin, of course, the investors, mga future buyers or homeowners natin dito sa Las Palmeras. We are offering 3 models here, sir. We have duplex model. We have single attached. And we have single detached.
Oh, nice.
So, marami tayong option, especially yung mga naghahanap ng mga maraming room na unit. So, we are offering 5 bedrooms dito sa pinakamalaki natin, which is the single detached.
And yun nga, when it comes to single detached, it's, I believe, sa mga growing family talaga. Kasi imagine, it has 5 bedrooms, no?
Correct, sir.
So, if you have like mga ilang kids, 3 kids, 4 kids, no?
So, especially sir, kung meron silang mga senior na kasama, di ba? Hindi na makakaakit yan eh. So, yung isang room natin, located siya sa baba.
Nice.
So, that's the beauty about single detached.
So, how many lot area meron ba yung single
Well,
detached?
ang single detached natin for regular unit, meron tayong 100 square meter. Okay? Sa single attached natin, meron tayong 80 square meter for the regular lot. And then sa duplex natin is 60 square meter.
Okay.
So lahat ng models natin, two toilet and bath na siya, sir. At mata-turn over siya. Naka-tiles na, may partition na tayo. Sa taas, naka-vinyl. And meron kanya-kanyang mga carport. So, lilipatan na lang, sir.
Yeah. Pero from the name itself na Las Palmeras, parang yung branding natin dito is meron kayong palm tree ba yan, sir? Na every houses has this, what you call the palm tree.
Yun yung idea, sir, ng developer natin. Each unit na itatayo, meron kanya-kanyang mga palm trees. Kaya, pagpasok mo pa lang sa subdivision, makikita mo na yung parang, yun nga, yung villa vibes na subdivision.